Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Kisi-kisi materi kuliah umum Sabtu sore sepanjang masa. Elektronik telekonferensi 10 September tahun 2033 Masehi. Mission of materials of the public lecture of afternoon Saturday over time with electronic teleconference of MAN 10th of month September of year 2033 ANNO DOMINI. Arahan Pendiri dan Ketua Umum Majelis Pimpinan Pusat Global Yayasan Raya, the direction from the founder and the General Chairman of the Central Global Leadership Assembly of the Great Mandailing Foundation, Agussalim St. bin Abdur Rahim, Nasution. Materi-materi kuliah umum Sabtu sore sepanjang masa elektronik telekonferensi di kantor Pusat Global, Majelis Pimpinan Pusat Global, Yayasan Raya. Materials of the public lecture of afternoon Saturday over time with electronic teleconference in the global head office of the Central Global Leadership Assembly of the Great Mandailing Foundation. Sabtu 10 September tahun 2033, materi kuliah umum e-teleconference, eksistensi Politbiro Pembinaan Organisasi, Lembaga Internal, Pengajian Yayasan Raya. Biro Pembinaan Organisasi Lembaga-Lembaga Internal Yayasan Raya, Divisi Pembinaan Organisasi, Majelis Pimpinan Rukun Tetangga, Yayasan Raya. Di seluruh dunia yang dikonsentrasi taktiskan di Kabupaten Mandailing Natal yang terdapat dalam jurnal bulanan analisis riset mikron gen biologis sepanjang masa nomor 284 bulan Agustus tahun 2033, Saturday 10th of month September 2033, material of the public lecture e-teleconference, existence of the Politburo of Development Organization of the Internal Institution of the Islamic Dakwah Activity, the Bureau of Organization Development of the Internal Institution of the Great Mandailing Foundation, the Division of Organizational Development of the Naval Leadership Assembly of the Great Mandailing Foundation on worldwide concern and Taktis in Kabupaten Mandailing Natal contained the monthly Journal of Research Analysis of Biological Genetic Micron over Time, number 284 of August 2033. Personil Politbiro Pembinaan Organisasi Lembaga Internal Pengajian Yayasan Raya, Biro Pembinaan Organisasi Lembaga-Lembaga, Internal Yayasan Raya, Divisi Pembinaan Organisasi Majelis Pimpinan Rukun Tetangga Yayasan Raya untuk merekomendasikan kepada jurusan Teknik Sipil, Fakultas Teknik Sipil dan Lingkungan, jurusan Hukum Administrasi Negara, jurusan Hukum Masyarakat dan Pembangunan, jurusan Hukum Bisnis, jurusan Hukum Ekonomi, jurusan Hukum Perdagangan Internasional, dan jurusan Hukum Keuangan Negara, Fakultas Hukum, jurusan Pendidikan Teknik dan Kejuruan, jurusan Pendidikan Ekonomi dan jurusan Pendidikan Teknik Bangunan, Fakultas Keguruan dan Ilmu Pendidikan, Manajemen dan Kebijakan Publik, Ilmu Administrasi Negara dan Ilmu Administrasi Publik, Fakultas Ilmu Sosial dan Ilmu Politik, Muamalah, Hukum Bisnis Islam, Keuangan Islam, dan Hukum Ekonomi Syariah, Fakultas Syariah, jurusan Teknik Sipil dan Lingkungan, Fakultas Teknologi Pertanian, jurusan Ekonomi dan Studi Pembangunan, dan jurusan Ekonomi Sumber Daya dan Lingkungan, Fakultas Ekonomi, dan Manajemen, jurusan Perencanaan dan Kebijakan Publik, dan jurusan Bisnis Islam, Fakultas Ekonomi, the Department of Urban Studies plus Planning, School of Architecture, and Planning, Civil and Environmental Engineering, School of Engineering, Business Administration Program, Agussalim Management, jurusan Perencanaan Wilayah dan Kota, Sekolah Arsitektur Perencanaan dan Pengembangan Kebijakan, dan jurusan Manajemen dan jurusan Kewirausahaan, Sekolah Bisnis dan Manajemen, Universitas Mandailing. Untuk memutakhirkan dengan memahami Surat Edaran Nomor 10 SEM 2018 tentang pemberlakuan standar dokumen pembelian pengadaan jasa, konstruksi dalam rangka lelang dini di Kementerian Pekerjaan Umum dan Perumahan Rakyat untuk tahun anggaran 2019, yaitu lampiran 3 Surat Edaran Menteri Pekerjaan Umum dan Perumahan Rakyat Nomor 10 SEM 2018 tentang pemberlakuan standar dokumen pembelian pengadaan jasa konstruksi dalam rangka lelang dini di Kementerian Pekerjaan Umum dan Perumahan Rakyat untuk tahun anggaran 2019, yaitu Personnel of the Politburo of Development Organization of the Internal Institution of the Islamic Dakwah Activity, the Bureau of Organization Development of Internal Institution of the Great Mandailing Foundation, the Division of Organizational Development of the Naval Leadership Assembly of the Great Mandailing Foundation, to recommend to the Department of Civil Engineering, the Faculty of Civil and Environmental Engineering, the Department of State Administrative Law, the Department of Law of Public and Development, the Department of Business Law, the Department of Economic Law, the Department of International Trade Law, and the Department of State Financial Law, the Faculty of Law, the Department of Engineering and Vocational Education, the Department of Economic Education, and the Department of Building Engineering Education, the Faculty of Teacher Training and Education Science, Management and Public Policy, State Administration Science and Public Administration Science, the Faculty of Social Sciences and Political Sciences, Muamalah, Islamic Business Law, Islamic Finance and Sharia Economic Law, the Faculty of Sharia, the Department of Civil and Environmental Engineering, the Faculty of Agricultural Technology, the Department of Economics and Development Studies, and the Department of Resource and Environmental Economics, the Faculty of Economics and Management, the Department of Planning and Public Policy, and the Department of Islamic Business, the Faculty of Economics, the Department of Urban Studies plus Planning, School of Architecture and Planning, Civil and Environmental Engineering, School of Engineering, Business Administration Program. Agussalim Management, the Department of Regional and City Planning, the School of Architecture Planning and Policy Development, and the Department of Management and the Department of Entrepreneurship, the School of Business and Management of Mandailing University to update by understanding the circular letter number 10 SEM 2018. concerning enforcement of standard selection documents for the procurement of construction services in the context of early auction in the Ministry of Public Works and Public Housing for budget year 2019, namely is Annex 3 of the Circular Letter number 10 SEM 2018 concerning enforcement of standard of selection documents for the procurement of construction services in the context of early auction in the Ministry of Public Works and Public Housing for budget year 2019, namely Bab 11 Daftar Keluaran dan Harga, Chapter 11 List of Expenditure and Prices. Daftar 4 Mata Pembayaran blank. List 4 Payment Item blank. Contoh, example, nomor, uraian keluaran, output, description of output, persentase, satuan ukuran keluaran, output, percentage unit size of output, satuan harga keluaran, output, output price unit, total harga, total price. Total daftar 4, pindahkan nilai total ke daftar rekapitulasi, total list 4, move total value to recapitulation list. Keterangan, pada judul daftar 4 cantumkan mata pembayaran jenis pekerjaan selain yang sudah diuraikan dalam mata. Pembayaran pekerjaan utama jika terdapat lebih dari satu jenis pekerjaan. Total harga adalah semua jenis harga yang tercantum dalam daftar. Kuantitas keluaran dan harga merupakan harga sebelum pajak pertambahan nilai. Information in the heading of Schedule 4 include payment items for occupations type other than those already described in the main work payment currency if there is more than one type of work. Total price is all types of prices listed in the list of quantity. Output and price is the price before value at the tag. Sumber-sumber sources Surat Edaran Nomor 10 SEM 2018 tentang pembelakuan standar dokumen pemilihan. Pengadaan jasa konstruksi dalam rangka lelang dini di Kementerian Pekerjaan Umum dan Perumahan Rakyat untuk tahun anggaran 2019, lampiran 3. Circular Letter number 10 SEM 2018 concerning enforcement of the selection document standard for procurement of construction services in the context of election in the Ministry of Public Works and Public Housing for budget year 2019 Annex 3. Google Translate. Mandailing Natal, Sumatera Utara, Indonesia, 1 September tahun 2033 Masehi, 1st of month September 2033 ANNO DOMINI. Thank you very much.